The Reate EXO gravity knife. This thing is super popular and super fun to play with. It's also super noisy, but I consider this a fidget spinner for adults, especially men. So, it's a gravity knife, no spring. Really cool design. And it's called the Exoskeleton. So, titanium frame, micarta inlay. This is burlap. It's just it's a brown micarta, but it's got a cool look to it. They do it in green and black as well. Tanto satin finish blade. We've got drop point and double edge, which is a bayonet blade. Elmax steel. These used to come with a kydex sheath. They do not now. They come with a leather slip sheath with a belt loop. Now, when you get the hang of this and get the right wrist action, you can actually just sling this out. And I can't do it right now because I haven't played with these in a while, but I used to be able to sling this out like that every time. And it becomes second nature, and it opens quickly, almost like an OTF. You're just throwing it to the ground though, because it's just sliding on these rails back and forth. But it can't open with your hand gripped on it. It won't open. It can't open until you release the grip. So it's a really cool design, but it's fun to play with, and you can do this all day. But your friends will hate you because there we go. Getting the hang of it now. It's super noisy. But it's fun, and it's kind of an addiction. People that come in our store, they play with, if they see one, they start playing with it, and it's like you can't put it down. Anyway, because you try to get the hang of it. But this is the EXO from Reate. It's super popular. They sell out quick, so I don't know how, at the time of this video, how many we'll still have, but we keep these on order, and we just got another shipment at the time of this video. And they're I think they're in the 280 range at this point. 285 maybe. The Reate EXO gravity knife. EKNIVES.com.